Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. Be healthy and be positive. So, in the previous class, we have studied two activities in chapter 8, that is finding the countries in a continent, and we have studied Asia continent. The second activity, a game, test yourself. Okay, we have played a game. So by these two activities we have completed the 8th chapter. In today's class we are going to study a new chapter, chapter 9. The chapter name is area and perimeter. So this is our last chapter, and this chapter, from the name itself you know, area and perimeter, this is a mathematical software. So if you want to study this chapter, we must know about area and perimeter of a rectangle. So what is an area of a rectangle? You may be studied in your mathematics class. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Is it right, my dear students? Yes. So I repeat, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now, what do you mean by perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, perimeter is nothing but we need to add the sides of the rectangle. That is, the formula for perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. I repeat, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Okay students, so perimeter in Malayalam ചുറ്റളവ് എന്ന് പറയും. ഓക്കെ, സോ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? പെരിമീറ്റർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 4 സൈഡിലെയും വാല്യൂസ് നിങ്ങൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ഫോർമുല യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം, 2 ഇൻറ്റു ലെങ്ത് പ്ലസ് 2 ഇൻറ്റു ബ്രെഡ്ത്ത്. ഓക്കെ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, so let us start the class. I will show you the software. I will introduce you the software. Before that, how to open the software? Yes, at the top left corner you have to click on applications. There is an option called school resources. Inside school resources you can see PET. Inside that, the first one, area builder. Okay, so I repeat, applications, school resources, PET and area builder. Click on area builder. Now the application area builder will open. Inside that there are two options. The first option, explore, and the second option, game. So you have to choose the first option, explore. Click on the option explore. So this is the area builder window. There are so many things here. I will introduce each one. What is the use of each one? So this is a rectangle box, this big rectangle box. This rectangle box consists of grids. Can you see here grids? Yes, like our GeoGebra you can see so many grids. Okay, So if you want to hide this grid, what you have to do, at the bottom you can see here, this one, you can see a symbol of grid here. You just untick this. Now this is a white blank space. So if you want to show again the grid, you just tick this box. Now you can see the grids. Now at the bottom you can see a bowl, and there are so many squares inside that. So you can choose a square from here and you can place it inside the grid. And before that, here you can see a small box. Here they have mentioned area and perimeter. Now the area is 0, perimeter is 0 because there are no squares here. Now I am going to place a square from this bowl to this box. So all of you listen, watch the video carefully. Just click inside here. Don't leave your mouse. Click and drag. Click and drag. Click and drag and place it here. When you reach here, you leave the mouse. Okay. Now you see the value of area here. Area is 1 and perimeter is 4. How it become area 1 and perimeter 4? Yes. To know it clearly, you have to do one thing. At the bottom, can you see a green button here? So you just tick this checkbox. Now you can see the measurements of the sides. How many centimeter each side? Here it is shown 1 centimeter. So a single grid having 4 sides and each side is having 1 centimeter. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഗ്രിഡിന്, ഒരു സിംഗിൾ ഗ്രിഡ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സിംഗിൾ ബോക്സിന് എല്ലാ സൈഡുകളും 1 centimeter ആണ്. Is it clear, dear students? Now you find the area of this square. How to find the area? Yes, side into side or length into breadth. So 1 into 1, 1 centimeter is the area. How about the perimeter? Yes, you have to add the 4 sides. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Oh, is it right, my dear students? Or you can use the formula of perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Here length is 1 centimeter, breadth also 1 centimeter. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 centimeter. If that formula is difficult for you, you just add the 4 sides. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ ഫോർമുല യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ 4 സൈഡും ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ആ വാല്യൂ ആയിരിക്കും ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഫോർമുല യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഹയർ ക്ലാസ്സസിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കത് ആവശ്യം വരും. സോ ഫോർമുല ഓഫ് പെരിമീറ്റർ ഈസ് 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So 2 plus 2, 4. Okay students, now I will place one more one more square from here. Just click, don't leave your mouse. Click and drag and place it here. Now you see the difference here. What changes occurred here? Now there are 2 squares here. So the values are changed. The length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the area of this rectangle? Length into breadth, 1 into 2, 2 centimeter is the area. And what will be the perimeter? You just add 4 sides. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So perimeter is 6 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay. Now I am going to place one more. So just click here inside the ball, don't leave your mouse, click and drag like this. I am going to place one more, click and drag and place it here. Now what all are the sides? All sides are 2 centimeter. So what will be the area? Length into breadth or side into side. 2 into 2, 4 centimeters area. How to calculate perimeter? Just add 4 sides. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 centimeter. Sorry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 centimeter is the perimeter. Is it clear, dear students? So you can place the squares here and you can calculate the area and perimeter. Okay, and this one, this symbol is to hide or show the grids, these grids. And this one, this green button, to show the measurements or hide the measurements. Okay, so if you untick this, it will hide the measurements. If you tick this, it will show the measurements. Okay, now if you want to erase this, square, what you have to do, you can use erase button here. Can you see a button here, erase, this yellow color? Click on that. So these squares will be erased. Whatever things we have drawn here will be erased. Okay, so I think this much is very clear to you. Now at the right side you can see a switch on button here, this circle. Just click on that. So what happened? Now there are 2 boxes here and 2 bowls here. So you can place the squares here, no problem. So it will show the area and perimeter here, and these bowls squares can be placed here, and you can place the squares like this. Now you can compare the rectangles or squares. Okay, this side the area is 2, perimeter is 6. For this square, area is 4, perimeter is 8. So you can compare the rectangles or squares. So that is the use of this button. Okay, now if you want to go back to one single window, what you have to do, click again here. Okay, so it will be like old, a single window. Okay, so that is the use of this button. So hope all are clear about what we have studied today. So what we have studied today, how to open area builder. First go to application, school resources, FET, and click on area builder. Now the application will be opened. Click on explore option. Now you can see a window with grids. If you want to hide the grid, you can click here. If you want to show the grid, you can tick here. There is a bowl. Inside that bowl there are so many squares. You can place the squares here. When you place it here, it will automatically show area and perimeter here. If you want to know the measurements of the sides, just click on this green tick on this tick here. So it will show the measurements. So keep on placing the squares, then it will automatically show you the area and perimeter. What is the formula for area? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Just note down that. And if you want to erase this, what you have to do, you have to click on this erase button, and this button switch on to compare two rectangles or squares. So there will be two boxes, and to make it like old one, you can click again here. Okay, so hope all are clear about this. In the next class we will complete this chapter. Study whatever I had taught today. Okay students, thank you very much.